Today, we are going to learn one of the most essential words in French, qui. What does qui mean? In French, qui means who, that, or which. But the most important thing to remember is this. Qui is used for the subject of the sentence. First, qui as who, asking about a person. We use qui to ask who is doing the action. Examples: Qui est ton professeur? Who is your teacher? Qui parle français ici? Who speaks French here? Qui arrive ce soir? Who is arriving tonight? In all these examples, qui is the person doing the action. Now, qui as that and which. This is very important. We use qui to connect two sentences and give information about a person or a thing. Examples: J'ai une amie. I have a friend. Elle habite à Paris. She lives in Paris. Now we can say J'ai une amie qui habite à Paris. I have a friend who lives in Paris. Here, qui replaces elle. Qui is the subject of habit. Now, c'est un film qui est très intéressant. It is a movie that is very interesting. Here, qui replaces il. Very, very important rule. After qui, the verb always changes depending on what comes before. Examples: C'est moi qui suis prête. C'est moi qui suis prête. It's me who is ready. C'est nous qui parlons français. This is us who speak French. So the verb agrees with moi. C'est moi qui suis. So it is followed by suis. C'est nous qui parlons. Here, nous, after that, it is followed by parlons. It is a key rule in French. But common mistake: J'ai un ami qui je connais. That's wrong. J'ai un ami que je connais. Why? Because qui is for the subject, not the object. I will explain que in another video. Quick summary: qui means who, that, or which. It is used for the subject. It replaces the subject, and after qui, the verb agrees with the subject. I hope today's lesson helped you understand qui and how to use it in a sentence. If you like this lesson, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Have a wonderful day. Ciao!